We are going to check your current energies of the relationship. Take the part which resonates and leave the rest. Spirits and angels, what is the current energy and guidance coming in for the people who are watching this video? I'm getting that you both are willing to move ahead in the relationship, and you have been really waiting from a very long period of time to go ahead here. But at the same time, आपकी इस रिलेशनशिप की जर्नी में जब आपने सोचा कि आपको आगे बढ़ना है, उस समय से कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हो रही हैं आप दोनों के बीच में जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा आपके दिमाग में कन्फ्यूजन क्रिएट कर रही है, एंड दैट कन्फ्यूजन इज बिल्डिंग अप अ लॉट ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटीज इन द रिलेशनशिप, as if you are questioning yourself as if this connection is right for you in a long run or not, whether your partner is being true or he's going to be appropriate or best for you in the future or not. Recently there has been some sort of issues related to compatibility, uh, perceptual conflicts, which is there creating confusions in your head, and now you are not able to decide. So you are moving ahead physically, but internally you are having a lot of conflicts in your headspace, and you are also feeling dominated by someone. There's this, there could be a possibility that your partner, be it her or be it him, is having a strong influence of a male energy in his or her life, which is impacting your relationship as well. There has been some sort of communications of marriage going on, but still it is not getting all in your favor. So watching all these things, जिसमें आपके पार्टनर शायद आपका स्टैंड नहीं ले रहे हैं और इतना सपोर्टिंग नहीं है आपके साथ कम्युनिकेशन में या सब कुछ फिगर आउट करने में, बिकॉज truly if I see, they are messed up in their own heads, so they are not able to focus on what is bothering you, because eventually they are being bothered by themselves only. So whatever is going on in their life, so their reaction or physical action could be something which is not very pleasant, but internally I feel that the person is very much connected with you, and the person is trying really hard to figure out everything, but it is getting so much overwhelming for them as well to have everything sorted, and they are also feeling like that ये सब कुछ छोड़ करके मुझे एक ब्रेक चाहिए, so they feel like that they want to go somewhere to have a break and come back with a strength and more clarity and a bit of calmness, but it's simply not working out for them. There has been a lot of health issues also, um, not major, but a bit of fluctuations in the health, which is causing discomfort, which is also causing irritation, and which is creating a lack of focus, and which is making them a bit directionless about. It's getting so uneasy for them to think and act, so they are just going with the flow. Whatever is coming at front, they are trying to solve that issue. And at the same time, I'm getting that there has been a lot of um, work related inquiries. There has been a lot of work related with pressure, as if something has been there which he has been assigned to do or she has been assigned to do, and they are just figuring out, calculating their time out. So it's not, which is, so it's not precisely their fault, and you might be feeling very unsupported by them, but it's not true. If you think about the whole scenario from another perspective, you will be able to have clarity over the situation because you are their priority. It's just that in terms of actions, it is not coming as of now because your partner is herself or himself so much overwhelmed with everything. In this scenario, what they are expecting out of you is the faith and trust on them, and the kind of anger or irritation that you are going through, they are not able to think this way, because of which they are not able to put an effort towards making things better with you, because वो ऐसा सोच ही नहीं पा रहे कि आपको इन चीज़ों से तकलीफ है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं आई बिलीव कि शायद आप भी अपनी तकलीफ उनके साथ ज़्यादा डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे हैं, उन्हें क्लैरिटी में बता नहीं रहे हैं, क्योंकि आपको ऑलरेडी सब कुछ दिख रहा है, और आपको लगता है कि आपको अपने पार्टनर को इतना परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए, जितना आप बोल रहे हो उतना चीज़ें आपके बीच में ख़राब हो रही हैं. So it is just a communication gap which is creating this trouble. Once there will be a heart to heart conversation between the two of you, things will be much better than what it is exactly right now.